gonna build a bunny?
Yeah, everybody, we're gonna build a bunny and build a bear.
Why do you like the bunny?
I love Mommy super much.
Is it gonna talk now?
If you press the paw, it should be the...
I love Mommy super much.
What's her name?
Gigi! That name is Gigi. Hi everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, I got this bunny from Build-A-Bear at Tuesday, and it's from Mommy's birthday. And this is what sound I make. I love Mommy super much.